2017 Toyota Yaris. If you want to check the cabin filter, go ahead and go to your glove box here. And there's going to be a damper on the side here you're going to need to disconnect. Okay, and it just pulls off like that. And you're going to go to the glove box and you're going to need to push it. See how this one works. Push it to where these little tabs will go around. Alright. Alright, once you do that, the whole glove box will come off like that. It's a little tricky. The cabin filter's in here. Okay. What you're gonna need to do is squeeze these little clips and the door will come off. Okay, it clips in on that side. There's the cabin filter. This one needs to be changed. I'm gonna go ahead and order one. I'm gonna see all the dirt and stuff like that in it. If you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box. But this guy's all brown. It's got some leaves hanging out of it. Definitely needs to be changed. So when you get your new one, slide it back in there. Basically just reinstall it in the reverse order. Okay.